Good morning, class 7th. We started our biology first chapter, tissue. So let us recall what we study. There are two types of tissue, plant tissue and animal tissue. So this topic is done. Now today we start animal tissue. So let us recall what we study in plant tissue. There are two types of plant tissue, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Two types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. So meristematic tissue are found in the tip of root and stem, and permanent tissue, there are two types of permanent tissue. First is simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. So simple permanent tissue is of two types: protective tissue, which protect the plant from harm and damage. Protective tissue, the tissue which protect the plant from harm or damage. And second type of simple permanent tissue is supporting tissue. The function of supporting tissue, these tissue form the bulk of the plant. Supporting tissue. So further, this supporting tissue is of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. This is the diagram of parenchyma tissue. So parenchyma is made up of thin walled cell and is present in non-woody part of the plant. Parenchyma is present on the non-woody, means greeny part of the plant. Parenchyma is present non-woody. And there is these cells have large space between them. So these cells have large space between them like this. This is nucleus. So these cells have large space between them. These parenchyma is present in the non-woody part of the plant, which is green, and second type of supporting tissue is collenchyma. Collenchyma is having thick wall and thickened edges and is found in soft growing tissue. Collenchyma is found in soft growing tissue, but these cells have little space between them. Very little space between them. Like parenchyma, there is large space between them, and in collenchyma, little space. There is little space between them. And collenchyma is found in soft growing tissue. Growing tissue of plant. Very small space between them. And third is sclerenchyma. So these cells consist of dead cells. These are made up of dead cells and do not contain any protoplasm. These also are very thick walls, but there is no space between them. So these are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma.